Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to take you on a delicious journey through the history of pizza. We're talking about how this mouth-watering delight went from an ancient treat to a global sensation. Ready? Let's dive in. Pizza's story starts way back in ancient times. Imagine ancient Greeks, Egyptians, and Romans munching on flatbreads with various toppings. Yes, even back then, folks knew the magic of putting stuff on bread. Fast forward to the late 18th century in Naples, Italy. Naples was a bustling port city, and the working-class folks needed food that was quick and affordable. Enter the modern pizza. But what made it special? Here's where it gets interesting. Tomatoes were introduced to Europe from the Americas in the 16th century. Initially, people were suspicious of these shiny red fruits. But by the 18th century, tomatoes became a hit in Italy. And the clever folks in Naples began adding tomatoes to their flatbreads. Boom! Modern pizza was born. But wait, there's more. In 1889, Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples. To honor her, a local pizza maker whipped up a special pizza with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. These ingredients represented the colors of the Italian flag. The Queen loved it, and thus the Margheritapizza was born. This royal endorsement played a huge role in spreading the love for pizza far and wide. Now, pizza didn't just stay in Italy. Italian immigrants took their beloved pizzas across the world, and it caught on like wildfire. From the classic Neapolitan to the deep dish Chicago style, each region put its own twist on this versatile dish. Today, pizza is a global icon. Whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or Mumbai, you'll find pizza lovers savoring every cheesy bite. And it all started with those ancient flatbreads and a bit of tomato magic in Naples. So next time you grab a slice, remember you're biting into a piece of history. Thanks for joining me on this tasty trip through time. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time.